Let's take a look at a recap from yesterday. We topped out with our low of 11 degrees, so definitely on the cold side. So was our afternoon at 28 degrees. Nowhere near our records of 56 or -4 degrees, and sunset occurring at 5:10 p.m. Looking at today's highs, though, temperatures have warmed up just a bit, mostly above the freezing mark. 38 in Munising, 37 in Escanaba, 33 in Marquette. And as you can look further towards the west, 38 in Ontonagon, 36 in both Houghton and Iron Mountain. Looking at those winds, though, they considerably relaxed compared to where they were just a couple of days ago, mostly having that easterly component to it. We do see more out of the northeast, though, in Munising and Marquette, very light at 2 and 3 miles per hour. In Escanaba, purely out of the east at 7, while further towards the west in Iron Mountain, Houghton, and Ironwood, mostly coming out of the southeast between 5 to 10 miles per hour. Looking at what's ahead for the next couple of days, we are going to be dealing with a couple of systems coming through the region. The first one will start making its impacts tonight. The cloud cover has been increasing throughout our Tuesday. By the time we go into late tonight, into early tomorrow morning, we'll be dealing with a couple of snow showers. Accumulations are going to be really minor out of this system right now. They have it projected between 1 to 3 inches. But throughout the day tomorrow, as those temperatures continue to warm more above the freezing mark, we will be dealing more with the rain-snow mixture, and that will be the continuing trend until Friday before we get some sunshine in there. However, it's only going to be really brief as we deal with another system as we go to the beginning of next week. For tomorrow, though, the colder air will now be more focused in parts of the northeast. Tomorrow, the busiest travel day of the year. Rain will be impacting the Ohio Valley and into parts of southern Wisconsin, into Michigan, especially in the lower peninsula, and majority of the UP will be dealing more with mixed precipitation. The snow will be more of a factor early on, and the more west you go. Looking a little more closely into the FUTURECAST of how this will all break down as the clouds continue to increase throughout your Tuesday night. The snow will begin first, mostly in the western and central counties. As we go throughout the day tomorrow, portions of the UP will either have some more time with snow, or they will see that changeover. Either way, it is going to be a wet one. Do give yourself extra time driving tomorrow, especially since it will be a very busy travel day with Thanksgiving coming. By the time we go to Thursday, conditions are going to improve. We'll still have those lingering rain, snow showers still, but conditions will begin to improve once again before we get another system coming in on Friday that will bring pretty much the exact same thing we're going to see tomorrow. And by the time we go into your Saturday, we'll just have some lingering clouds around with a little bit of sunshine here and there before conditions really begin to go downhill once again as we go into the beginning of next week. 29 degrees, cloudy with those late snow showers, winds out of the southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Going into your Wednesday, temperatures should be above freezing, so we'll see that mixture throughout the day. Southeast at 10 miles per hour. As you can see, temperatures are going to be mostly in those mid to upper 30s, 37 in Ontonagon and Crystal Falls and Florence, 38 in Houghton. Looking a little more towards the east, 35 in Marquette, 40 in Munising and Escanaba. Going into your day planner a little more closely for your Wednesday, you'll notice 35 degrees will be the high. Lows tomorrow night will be 32. So there is a partial chance that, we could see a little bit of snow altogether for brief moments, but the weather will be very tricky of when the timings will be from tomorrow all the way till Friday. Sunrise will occur at 8:04 a.m. And looking into your next 7 days, it's just going to be a wet one, even going into early next week. The best day of the 7-day will be Saturday. It will be dry. Temperatures, though, are going to be warming up into those closer to the 40-degree mark. Morning lows are going to try to get closer to the freezing mark. But right now, just give yourself extra time, stay safe, and mostly stay dry throughout this holiday weekend.